Hi, my name is Wendy Myers, MyersDetox.com, and I want to show you how to make my very favorite green juice that I drink on almost a daily basis. I call it the Myers Detox Green Juice. So this juice helps to mineralize your body, it helps your body to detox, it alkalizes your body, it helps your liver to work better, and the minerals in this juice are so helpful to aid brain function, neuron transmission, flooding your body with minerals that we're all so depleted in today. And minerals help to detox heavy metals. They help your body work better and help to displace and push metals out of the body. So the Myers Detox Green Juice consists of celery, cilantro, apple, and lemon or lime. So I'll tell you why all of these ingredients are good for detoxification. So number one, celery, like I said, has tons and tons of minerals in it. The celery salts flood your body with minerals. The cilantro in the juice helps to detox your body of mercury, lead, and nickel, and so many other metals. It grabs onto them and chelates them out of the body. And it tastes great too. And then the lime in it, or lemon if you like, helps to add some flavor. It gives you lots of alkalizing minerals as well, lots of potassium, very rich in potassium, which many people are deficient in. And then the last part is the green or red apple, and that's really helpful just to add a little bit of sugar, make the juice more palatable. But the apples also contain malic acid, which help your liver to detox and do a little liver flush. This recipe calls for 1 bunch of celery, 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 lemon, and a half of green or red apple. So you want to make this juice daily because the enzymes in juice die within 30 minutes. So you don't want to have any store-bought juice. You have to have fresh juice. You want to drink it as soon as you make it. That's the best way to enjoy all of the benefits that juices have to offer, is drinking them fresh. So I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. This is my very favorite green detox drink that I recommend to all my clients to help their body detox and mineralize their body. This is a juice I recommend drinking once daily. You can drink it first thing in the morning or between a meal or anytime you're looking for an energy boost mid-afternoon. For this juice, you do need a juicer, but you can also put all the ingredients in a NutriBullet or a blender and then strain it if you like. But ideally, you get the maximum amount of minerals inside the cell wall of the plants if you're using a juicer. So why do we juice? Juicing helps you to extract the minerals and the nutrients from plants in a ratio that's far exceeds the amount you could get if you just ate the plant alone. Like, you can't sit down and eat a whole stalk of celery in one sitting. I mean, I'm sure that you could, but nobody wants to do that. It's so much easier to get all of these amazing nutrients in a stalk of celery in a nice, handy, compact glass of juice. So that's why juicing is so amazing. It helps to give you so many more minerals and nutrients from foods that you could get from eating them alone. It's also very important to make sure the fruits and vegetables that you're juicing are organic. We don't want all those pesticides that are sprayed on non-organic conventional produce getting into your healthy juice.